Tonight our guest will be our king, King Nebuchadnezzar, three of his amazing death-defying subjects, Shadrach, big hand please, welcome our king. Thank you for joining us tonight. And everyone please give another hand for our king. So my first question goes to our king. How did this whole amazing event get started?
Well, it started about 3 weeks ago. I built a large miniature costume. It was 90 feet high and about 9 feet wide.
You said 90 feet tall? Wow, that's amazing. Sorry, go on.
Well, as I said, I built a miniature boat. Then I made the law that whenever the people heard the sound of horns, flutes, and harps together, they would bow down and worship him, or else be thrown into the fiery furnace.
Shadrach, what happened next?
Well, sure enough, we heard the sound of the horns, flutes, and harps, and my friends and I were being fell down to the beach.
I know. That's why I had the furnace heated up 7 times hotter.
7 times hotter. Wow, if it were that hot, you can't even open the furnace door without being burnt to a crisp.
Very true. That's the servants that goes into the furnace for the servants after died.
Died, get out of town. So what happened to the 3 of you?
These two were bound up and then thrown into the fire. But even though the fire was so hot, we knew God would help us.
Then I saw an amazing thing. Instead of 3 people in the fire, I saw 4.
4? You said you saw 4? How can that be when only 3 men were put in the first place?
We were not alone, as Abednego said. We knew our God would surely be with us because of our obedience.
What do you mean, because of your obedience?
Only God is worthy of our praise and worship. It would be wrong to worship anyone or anything else. It was important for us to obey God and live manner and worship Him only, even though we all could have died.
But you didn't die, did you?
Well, no, how else could we be here now?
Good point.
The next thing we heard was the king calling, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out and come here. So we did.
Not even a hair on our head was singed. We didn't even smell like smoke after we came out.
It was truly amazing. So I made a new law that anyone who speaks against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego would be killed, because there is no other God who can save people like that.
Well, we're afraid we're out of time tonight. I truly want to thank our guests for their amazing story, but remember the number 1. We have one God and we need to worship Him only. Thank you very much.